The Kansas Suicide Prevention Coalition is excited to announce the release of the 2026 through 2030 Kansas Suicide Prevention Plan. The goal of this plan is to lay out the strategic work for preventing suicide in Kansas over the next 5 years. This plan serves as a guide for not only the Kansas Suicide Prevention Coalition, but all Kansans interested in suicide prevention. By offering resources, this document serves as a vital tool to help individuals, families, organizations, and communities prevent suicide. This plan outlines 4 strategic directions for preventing suicide across Kansas, including community-centered care, connected and accessible services, upstream prevention, and surveillance, research, and evaluation. The 2026 through 2030 Kansas Suicide Prevention Plan was developed through a collaborative, multi-month process that engaged a variety of voices and expertise from across the state. The plan is divided into 2 parts. The first part outlines each strategic direction, along with strategies and broad recommendations designed to be adapted and applied by local communities. In the second part, the plan contains a strategic action plan specifically for the Kansas Suicide Prevention Coalition. Within the plan, you'll find a variety of education, recommendations, and resources, including key suicide data to help understand the landscape in Kansas, recommendations for implementing suicide prevention initiatives at the local level, resources for engaging in suicide prevention, early intervention, crisis response, and treatment, and information on how to get involved with the Kansas Suicide Prevention Coalition. If you're new to suicide prevention or not yet connected to local efforts, you can use the plan to understand key focus areas, identify where your interests align, and connect with local or statewide partners to get involved. If you're part of a new or developing coalition, you can use the plan to set clear goals, organize your activities, and align your strategies with broader state priorities to build a strong foundation for impact. If you're an experienced coalition or established partner, you can use the plan to assess progress, identify service or communication gaps, discover new opportunities for collaboration, and explore innovative ways to engage your community and strengthen existing efforts. We invite you to scan the QR code to engage with the 2026 through 2030 Kansas Suicide Prevention Plan and explore how you can implement recommendations and strategies for preventing suicide in your community today. We'd also like to invite you to join the Kansas Suicide Prevention Coalition. We need your help to implement the new plan at the state level. To learn more about the coalition and how to join, visit kansassuicidepreventioncoalition.org. We look forward to collaborating across the state for the next 5 years to increase hope, encourage help, and prevent suicide in our communities.